I'm gonna tell you how you can turn your weakness into strength. Right, so the first story is when I was in school. I learned the same thing over and over, and it's in public school. And when I kept on learning the same thing over and over, I learned a certain strategy that taught me to do it better. So, let me give you a sample here. I'm gonna tell you how I do 8 times 8. So, let's start small. 2 times 8, 16. Now, 2 16s would be 4 8, so that's 32. 32 plus 32 is 64. So there's your answer to 8 times 8. It's really comes easy to me. If I learn division right now, it'll probably come easy to me too. I am gifted at that math. Now, most autistic people really ain't, but I took interest in it. And like I said, I learn it over and over, so I learn a new skill how to do it better. Now, my second story is on this video coming up next, so watch that video and I'll see you there.